Okay, a beautiful night out here at Port Phillip Bay. Don't think we could see much going on down here, but oh. Now, you can't really see anything at all, but it's a beautiful still night. And let's see what we've got. There's a lot of bait fish going around here. Oh. Can you see much going on? Actually, a lot going on actually. A lot of bait going around. Well, a lot of little mullet. But it's not all we're after, is it? It's actually my first time doing this, and I have no idea what I'm going to expect, but it's more of a exploring situation, you know? Wow, well that's fun. In there, huh? Scoop things up. Just trying to explore and seeing what we could actually find. Huh. Is that funny? Maybe we should just turn off the light for a second. Oh, it's a bit eerie and creepy when it's night. Very still, very quiet. You can't see anything. And you lift it up. Oh. What are we going to do? Where's all the bait fish going? Maybe I should extend this to make it longer. Do I see anything? Not at all. Do I? Just tons of bait fish. Little mullet. Nothing major. Oh, look at this slug in here. Sluggish. What if I just go like this? See what I can get out of that, huh? Nothing. It's still night, isn't it? This is interesting. Oh, it's actually quite difficult. Trying to catch anything at this point. There's just bait fish jumping out. Just want to see what type of fish they are. Oh. Where are we doing, huh? Oh, just looking for the weed beds. Oh, I caught myself a little gurry. That is so cute. Just keep it in water for now. Oh, there's big ones out there. But this will do. Nice. Patch of them. Maybe at night time. Oh, it's getting a bit deeper, a bit riskier. Hopefully there's no sharks out tonight. That's the problem, right? It's always a problem. Look at them jumping. I wonder if the camera picks it up. They're just jumping around. Squishy glossy. Bit sluggish around here, so I won't keep going. I don't want to get myself stuck. Why are they jumping? What fish is that? Just jumping in and out of the water. Also, it's been raining the last couple of days. And honestly, it's very, very hard to see in the murky water. But if you guys could see that, little gurries, which I will let go, but I'm just going to carry them around for the time being, just to see how much I can get. Oh, deeper water. Not good. Jacket's getting wet. Let's go in the shallows a bit more. Oh. Chase. What was that? What are they?